Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use exit lag to improve your connection for Mobile Legends, helping reduce lag spikes, stabilize your ping, and make your gameplay smoother. So if you want to try exit lag with a 1 year and 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. First, we have to open the exit log and log it to your account. So if you're playing Mobile Legends on a PC using an Android emulator like GameLoop, BlueStacks, LD Player, or Mumu Player, you'll need to search for your emulator in Exit Log Mobile Legends. Here at the Connection tab, click the Add button. So if it's not Mobile Legends is not currently available as a game profile in the PC version of Exit Log, we can search for Game Loop. Like for example, then we have to select that. And for the best results, we have to leave the server into automatic. Exit Log can choose the fastest and most stable route for your connection, and you can choose all regions because it is recommended, but for my preference, I have to choose my preferred region. Now we can have to select Reoptimize. Click it before launching the game. This allows Exit Log to refresh your network route and select the best available path. And wait for it to analyze the connection. And in advanced settings, you can leave the default settings as they are. Most players don't need to change anything because Exit Log automatically manage the routing for the best performance. And we can just have to click the apply routes. And after the routes have been optimized, you can launch your emulator and open Mobile Legends. And once you're in a match, monitor your ping and gameplay. You should notice a more stable connection, fewer lag spikes, and smoother gameplay, especially during team fights and ranked matches. Then that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a smoother Mobile Legends experience using Exit Log. And if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try Exit Log with a 1 year and 50% discount, I check out the sign up link in the description below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.